There's an unused cabinet at home, and I happen to see a beautiful screen. Let's start the transformation. Cover the floor to protect it first. Take a photo of the front of the cabinet. Download Henry Matisse's artworks. Create a collage based on your preference. I used Procreate. Lower the opacity of the collage and overlay it on the cabinet photo. Erase the artwork along the edge. Project the image directly on the cabinet. Trace an outline according to the projected image. Fill in the colors. Turn on the lights at night to complete the other half. Get ready to paint the cabinet. Remove the cabinet doors. Prepare to paint. Wear gloves and mask. Tape the edges. Paint. Install the doors. Decorate a little.
FlexiSpot supports you in revamping your dream home. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe.